little bit, and you have the This is what I think that is one of the best GR86 in Japan. Completely built by TOM'S Racing. We are in TOM'S and we're gonna be doing our complete review of the 386, all the parts that it has, how much it costs. At the end of the video, we will explain how much costs the complete car. By the end of the video, you're gonna be able to recognize these cars from far away. We're gonna be starting with my favorite one, that is the white body. We have the complete body kit from TOM'S Racing. And you have the front diffuser, that is the standard version. After we're gonna be explaining the new version that we did also, like in this white car. Side edges, and on the rear we have the exhaust. We're gonna be starting the three cars and you're gonna be checking the difference between the 4-tail noise and the 2-tail noise. One is titanium, the other one is steel. We have so many parts and I don't want to forget any of them, but it's really difficult. We have also the rear under diffuser, the rear wing, and with this car, not only the white body, what is one of the most interesting part that is shocking is when you enter inside, that it's all the carbon parts that you can be finding for the GR86.
Wow, that's insane.
The favorite part in all these cars is the rear diffuser with the 4 tails. I think it's quite affordable if you make a shipping by sea. The start button that you can be changing, that it's TOM'S as well. It's not only sounding super good, it also looks incredible. Like the balance that it has with the rear wing, I think that it's a really good combining point. To understand why it's so special, this carbon interior, you need to watch it from your own eyes. Going part by part, we have the air-conditioned ducts, we have the dashboard, you have the steering wheel. I personally like the round one. I don't like to have this shape that it's flat here, but in this one looks really, really good. I love it. I don't know how it is about drifting. Then we have more covers inside. We have the handbrake, we have the gear shift knob, we have more carbon interior parts here. I will put the list of everything with the prices for you to know. Also, we have this cover on the right, the entering cover, here in the buttons, everywhere you find carbon. It's incredible, everywhere carbon. I wanted to show you also the rims, that it's a really, really quality and nice premium product, but my only con, it's gonna be that we don't have the brakes. So normally we have the Brembo kit together with TOM'S, and looks super good, the brakes. We are planning as well to build a demo car that is gonna be a GR86. So like this, we're gonna be able to show you how we installed these parts, how they are coming with the boxes, and how it's possible to put it in the car. Like if it goes with bolts, how long it takes to put it, and all these small things. Talking about the rims of the 86, in these ones, they are really special because of the white body, you need the rim to be sticking out a little bit. And that's when this rim, without putting a spacer, you achieve the perfect size that you want. So now let's move a little bit about the new version that we have and what's different from the other version that we were already selling. We can see the finish of the material is really special because it has this kind of black shiny. The other one is more matte, black matte. Here you can see one of the new pieces that we did, that is this attachment on the side. It's just making it a little bit wider, and also it has here, it's difficult to see it from the camera, but it has like edge sticking out, and this is giving a little bit more on downforce. And this is combining good with the one that we were having. Personally, I like more the old one. Here we can see the new version of the front diffuser. It's quite different from the other one that was bigger. This is quite of combining more with the actual shape of the GR86. You don't see that it's going like forcing or nothing. Like all the TOM'S parts, they are combining really good with the shape of the car. Here we can see the rear wing that, in my opinion, I would like to have not only this one, but also a big rear wing here on top. I know it's tricky, I know it's difficult, but I would like to design something like that. Let me know as well if you would like to have a bigger wing, or if you think that with this one, it's already enough how it looks in the car. In this car, the rims, they don't have offset. because it's not a wide body kit. So this one you can install in whatever GR86 and after put spacers. Let's check now how it sounds exhaust. So let's go in, let's just start the car. Let's show you how it sounds. We have also many other parts, like this case for the key. You can visit in our website and check all these parts. They combine perfect with Toyota and Lexus. Here in Japan, we are selling to the official dealers in Toyota and Lexus. Here we have the last car, that it's one that we are collaborating with Kinto, renting this car here in Tokyo. So you can come and rent this car and drive around. And this is having the single exhaust, the 2 tips instead of 4. So let's check now how it sounds comparing to the 4 tails, if you can appreciate any kind of difference or not. For the exhaust, I was not expecting that. That one, they removed the catalytic. So that's why we would like to mount a demo car to check exactly what's going on and to try and test some different parts. Like this, we can give you a real example of how these parts works in your car. They have the TOM'S suspension. So TOM'S collaborate and they did this suspension. You can adjust the camber. Now in this one, it's full camber, so must be around like 3.5 to 4 degrees. We do have the air filter in all the cars. From all the parts, the must-have is the front splitter. You can choose the first version or the second. After the side skirts, they look super good and improves the aerodynamic. And the yes or yes, it's the rear diffuser with the 4 tails. Not only for the noise, but for the aesthetic is what it gives really the aesthetic of a TOM'S car GR86. After, if you have more budget, I will go with the wide body kit, because it's insane, like really looks super good. It's not too much like Liberty Walk or HKS of these kits that they are really big, but it gives, you can see from the side how much is they are touching from the body and looks super good. Also the rear wing, I think that it's a good must. Front diffuser, side skirt and rear diffuser with exhaust. This is the must for me. Always when you are buying TOM'S parts, we have few options and you can check in the last code. The last letter, it means if it's painted or not. So if it's the number and then it's saying a JIT, that means that it's without paint. In Japan, the GR86 is coming with 3 different versions. You have the RC, the S-JIT and the R-JIT. The first one, it's coming without even rims, that it's just to modify. Like you can see on the other one that we don't have even the screen, we don't have rear camera and it's lightweight for circuit. Then the S-JIT, you have some extras, and the R-JIT is the complete full. In the white new car also we don't have a screen in front, that this is one thing that I would really like, at least to help me parking a little bit. Inside we have also full carbon, full carbon. And here in the side it's lovely because when you are driving, you see these carbon parts and you have the feeling of have a premium car. It's really good to have these carbon parts because while you are driving, you can see it all the time and really makes you feel premium. It really increases because sometimes you modify the car, but you cannot see the part until you are outside or whatever. And this one is one of the ones that I will put it on my list to have in the car, to enjoy more the car while you are driving. Also, we have this small thing. I didn't know either, that we have this, let's see if the camera focus a little bit. We have this small plastic rubber that they are 100% the shape of all the doors in the side. So that's really cute that you have with the logo and protecting the car. So this is a surprise to me. Let's check now under the bonnet what do we have in this white car. I don't know personally. We checked the silver one, we checked the orange one, but in this one I don't know if we will find a surprise inside the engine or not. It did have a good surprise because I didn't know that we were having this strut bar that we are selling for all the GR86. This one is a really nice piece to reinforce the car. Good price and looks really strong. And also it's light because it's aluminum. We have many parts in the TOM'S showroom, so make sure to let in the comments which car will you like to see. We have many Lexus, we have the Supra, and we have other special models. So if you want to see any kind of cars, just let us know in the comments which one will you like to see, and we're gonna be able to make this kind of video for you as a complete review. One product that I would like to show is about the floor mat. We have been promoting quite a lot the floor mats on social media. You cannot see from the pictures, but it has really lot of quality. You have the TOM'S badge, and of course, one important thing, 100% made in Japan. I really recommend it. If you support and you really want the floor mats for the left side vehicles, please make sure to know us in the comments, and we will try to manufacture as well the left side version of it. On the rear diffuser, if you don't have the budget to change the complete rear diffuser, we are also selling this small part that is combining with the stock rear diffuser. If you are coming to Tokyo and you are visiting the city and you want to see cars, you can come to the showroom and you can see all the cars completely for free. You can buy the complete car as well, even if you are a foreigner. We have also other parts like the rims, interiors, and things that you can be checking in the TOM'S showroom. It's completely for free, and they change the car every few weeks, so you can be enjoying this car, see it by yourself. If you ask the people, they speak English, and they're gonna be helping you to check the car, to see it from inside.